So guys, today is the 10th. You know what that means? It's a giveaway for these two sets of wheel locks here. The gray and the black set. I had a lot of interest in these. I wish I had 200 sets to give out. I really do. But you guys know I only have 2 sets. But definitely hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed. I'll be having more giveaways coming up, so you don't want to miss out on those. But I just randomly selected two of you guys. Like I said, I wish I could do more, but for this one, it's 2. So feel good about this. I think you guys really like it. Okay, so let's get started. So for the silver set here, right here, I chose Gentle Giant Gaming TV for this set here. This is what you're going to be receiving. Okay? Now for this black set, I chose Hang Nguyen for this set here. Again, guys, like I said, it's hard to just randomly select 2 when so many people show interest, but that's how giveaways go, as you guys know. These are the 2 sets I have, but I'll be getting more stuff, so definitely stay tuned. So if you guys remember how that works, so Hang Nguyen and Gentle Giant Gaming TV, email me, and I'll get your address, and we'll get these shipped right out to you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Definitely watch that video again if you need help with the install. And all you guys that didn't get these, I would still recommend picking these up. Like I said, out of all the wheel locks, you're seeing so many stories of no matter what wheel lock you have on there, they just snap them off. Okay? These are the best deterrent out there for a wheel lock that you're going to put on your wheel. Hands down. So the money you're paying, if you don't have it, you're going to pay a deductible of insurance. This will already pay for itself. So definitely check out Rimgard. Here's the website if you guys haven't already seen that. Like I said, I highly recommend it. Yes, they cost money, but if you get popped from someone taking your wheels, it'll pay for this and more. You know what I mean? So it's one of those insurance policies I would definitely recommend. I know it's sad we have to do that with these wheels, but that's the situation. So I'd highly recommend picking those up, guys, for your car. And I'll give you some peace of mind so you don't have to stress about it coming out one day and having your car all messed up. And it's not just the wheels, but they just mess the whole car up putting on the cement too. So thanks for everybody for showing your interest in this. Again, I'll have more of this kind of stuff going forward, so don't hesitate to subscribe. Keep checking back. I will do my best to get my hands on some more good stuff for you guys. That'll really help you guys out. Okay? So again, I appreciate all you guys out there that's helped me. All your comments, I read them all. I really appreciate them, get the feedback. I do. You guys helped me along the way to this point, and I look forward to many more years of this. So appreciate every one of you. Hope everyone's being safe out there, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care, everybody.